Welcome to Crypto Gems. In this video, you're going to learn what Cardano is, the tokenomics of the coin, and we're going to do a Cardano price prediction. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. So this is the Cardano website, cardano.org. You can learn more information about Cardano on their website here. Essentially, what Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform, and it's the first to be founded on peer-reviewed research and developed through evidence-based methods. It's very interesting because they do peer-reviewed research papers before anything they implement into the Cardano blockchain. It's a fantastic project. It combines pioneering technologies to provide unparalleled security and sustainability to decentralized applications, systems, and societies. With a leading team of engineers, Cardano exists to redistribute power from unaccountable structures to the margins, to individuals, enabling force for positive change and progress. The reason why I love the Cardano project is the founder, Charles Hoskinson. He has a massive, lofty goal to bring the entire continent of Africa onto the internet and essentially the Cardano blockchain so that it allows business people over in Africa and people who don't have the same opportunities here in the United States and other parts of the world, the same level of entrepreneurialism, growing businesses, etc. So let's jump over to the tokenomics of Cardano. We can see that the circulating supply currently is at 33.58 billion ADA. ADA is the native token of Cardano. And if we multiply the circulating supply to the price, that gives us the current market cap. Right now, the current market cap of Cardano is 40,448 million. If we want to get the fully diluted market cap, we can take the total supply, or the max supply, which is 45 billion. There will only ever be 45 billion ADA, and we can multiply that by the current price. So the fully diluted market cap would be 54,210,146,187. Now, if you'd like to invest in Cardano, I will go ahead and leave a link down in the description to where you can go purchase the coin. Let's jump over into some technical analysis, and I'll give you my Cardano price prediction. All right, this is the Cardano 4-hour chart, and you can see that we had a steep decline here back in January, and we've been bouncing and consolidating in this symmetrical triangle for quite some time, about a month or so. And recently, we just broke out of that symmetrical triangle, and let me show you the targets, the technical targets for this breakout to the upside. There's a few different ways we can measure this. We can go very, very bullish from the top of this local high to the bottom of this swing low, and we can take that and measure it. That's the bullish case. That would give us a target of approximately $1.95 for Cardano. We can take a medium case and measure it from the most immediate little swing high in this downtrend. That would give us a technical target of approximately $1.68. And then we can take a more modest target from the top of the symmetrical triangle to the bottom of the symmetrical triangle, and that would actually give us a breakout of $1.36, and that is actually confluent with the 618 Fibonacci extension level. You can see we're going to see some pretty big resistance right in this area between the 786, which is at $1.48, down to $1.36, which is the 618 Fibonacci level. A few other things to make a note of is we've got momentum starting to build to the upside. You can see the rising higher highs in momentum. We've got the money flow wave down in the red and now is coming up into the green, so money is being injected into the asset pair. We've got the RSIs that have been oversold and now are heading to the upside as well, the stock RSI and the regular RSI. So if you'd like to invest into Cardano, I'm going to leave the links in the description below. Go ahead and check those out if you'd like to purchase Cardano. But other than that, be sure to like the video. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below in the comment section as well. And if you'd like more content on Cardano or technical analysis, be sure to give us a follow and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for being here.